And you know, I want you to sing along with me when the choruses start. Because you know the song, and you know when you're in your car and you lip sync into the song, and I